Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. In this channel, we'll be looking at emerging markets to explore big opportunities for growth. If it's your first time in my channel, please feel free to go through all the videos. If you see what you like, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, I've been seeing a lot of people watching, about 90% of you guys are watching, but have not yet hit that subscribe button. It would support my channel a whole lot if you hit subscribe, like, and the notification bell will tell you when I release a video. If you're new to the crypto market as well as the stock market, feel free to use the two links that I have in the description box to open an account with Webull or Robinhood. In doing so, you support my channel, you'll get free stocks, and I'll also get free stocks. Again, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I'm just giving you information. Last but not least, please remember that I am not a financial consultant. Everything I say is strictly my opinion. Use this information as preliminary information or do whatever it is that you find suitable. Just make sure that your due diligence before you invest. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video, we're going to be covering Asia Broadband's most recent release. In fact, I'm a little bit late on it. I think it was released on the 11th. But nonetheless, I don't think that it's going to be something that's going to be earth-shattering because the news relates to some of the events that we've already discussed in previous videos. Looking at the activities for the past week or so, you guys are probably wondering, okay, there's been news, good news upon good news. Why is it that share price keep on dropping? And so today's video is going to be, I guess, address some of those issues. So let's just quickly go over the basic statistics. So today it opened at around 14 cents. The daily range was about from 12 cents to 14 cents. You notice that today's volume is about half of average daily trading volume. And that has happened in the last couple of days, which probably explains the reasons why the price has dropped so much. There's nothing fundamentally wrong with the company. It has a lot to do with volume. And so like we've mentioned before, last year in December, they said that they're going to continue to roll out some more trading pairs in January. So here it is on the press release for January 11, 2022. Basically, the company is releasing confirmations as such that they have incorporated more trading pairs to a currency exchange, call it the AABB Exchange. And then essentially it just gives you instructions on how you go about doing it. Again, they only have the desktop version. I would be more excited to go see the app for the phone. I think more sales and popularity will rise once we have that. And looking at the wallet right now, I've seen some comments from people saying that the exchange is not as good as it should be. It's not as user-friendly. But I think that with any company that's still new, hopefully they will be able to release something. You know, I kind of want to see something like Robinhood, which is so much easier for people to use. Cryptocurrency in and of itself is already very confusing for people to use. So once you make the platform too complicated, a lot of new investors having to learn about crypto and then having to learn a new platform that's so difficult to use, especially when there's so many different platforms out there, and incentivize the investors by making it more user-friendly. And talking about the platform, we learned that AABB collaborated with a company called Core State Holdings to roll out this exchange. In the coming weeks, they will have 200 cryptocurrency exchange trading pairs available on their BCG Gateway platform. They didn't give us the date as to when the 200 plus currencies will be, but they're saying in the coming weeks. So I'm anticipating that it will be sometime before the end of January. I took the initiative to look up Core State Holdings Corporation. The company is a Canadian company. They designed and they developed the cryptocurrency PTP wallet. The PTP wallet platform since 2019 has processed over 220,000 visitors transactions. And you can go look at their website at corestateholdings.com. I don't know if you've used the PTP wallet or the other two platforms that are owned by them. Index pairs and PTP Shopee. But I think that this company understands how to make these types of platforms. I myself have not used PTP wallet, but if any of you have used these, please feel free to comment below and let us know. You know, just my last minute thoughts. The fight between the bulls and the bears will continue. In the end, if you find a company that you think will be successful in the long run. Remember Warren Buffett said, it's not how you time the market, but it's how much time you have in the market. So if you think that this is a good company, perhaps time in the market might be a good strategy, these opportunities when the company is trading lower than their actual worth, then it might be a good opportunity to average down. As far as how much further it will go, I mean, a lot of people say that it was at its lowest at 8 cents, 9 cents. So, I mean, those are 8, 9, 10. I think those are, some a good price range to add to your position. I intend to do the same. I mean, like I mentioned before, I'm in it for the long haul. Yeah, by this point, all the news on this company have already been made public. So the current price of AABB incorporates all these good news, right? But I think what's most important, what I really want to see is the public's reaction to their product. And I think they will launch their app soon. I think nowadays nobody really uses the desktop version anymore. For them right now, they're not so focused on, I think from AABB standpoint, they're not so focused on the marketing of their product, but the stability, like they mentioned in this article. So their desktop version, they want to make sure that everything works out fine. Because I know that if you've been trading and if you've been transferring AABB and having to insert the different addresses, and if you don't insert the right address, it can be sent to somewhere place and you may lose your cryptocurrency in the process. So all of this is very new. So I don't question their approach for wanting to a little more time with the desktop version to make sure that there's no issues before they launch their app. In any case, that's all the news that I have for you guys today. Please feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for stopping by. Take care and happy trading.